Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I present to you my Boba Fett armor. Essentially what we're going to be doing today is adding the final piece to the body armor, and that is the decals that go on the chest and on this shoulder pad, the Mythosaur skull. So I wanted to bring you guys along for the ride and show you, what it looks like and how it's going so far. I bought these decals from an Etsy shop called Boba Market, so hopefully they're good. Alright guys, well that's going to do it. The armor is completely finished. All that I have to do now is the jetpack, and then go ahead and order my blasters and go ahead and paint those as well. Thank you Boba Market for the very high quality decal. They look great. I'm very pleased. They lay nice and flat. There's no bubbling issues or anything like that, and they look fantastic. I'm very, what's the freaking word I'm looking for? Very excited to put this on, and very pleased with your product, so thank you. A full cosplay reveal will be coming soon. Like I said, I just have to finish it, but once I finish it, I will be doing a full reveal. You guys have seen the helmet multiple times in shorts and all that stuff, and your support on the helmet has been overflowing. Thank you so much for that. I'm very proud of it, and I don't know, just to hear other people's approval, it makes me feel good. It makes me know I did a good job, not just my mommy being like, it looks great, sweetie. Love you, Mom. In that full cosplay tutorial, I will be breaking down what paints I used, how I painted it, all that stuff, be getting super deep. It might be a longer video, but I really just want to show you guys how I did it, because I know there's a couple of you that are making your own, so I want to help as much as I possibly can. Don't forget to follow me on Patreon, Instagram, and TikTok. Any way that you can support the channel helps, and for those who do support, I'm very thankful. Thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and remember, may the Force be with you, always.